How to make a sensory bin. My container is a shoe storage box from Walmart. Sensory bins give children the opportunity to explore and learn through hands-on play that engages their senses. Natural, so Jett wouldn't be able to mix it all up. You can get it in several different colors. Also, if you get multicolor sand, this is what it will look like. It will turn into a crazy color, not stay multiple colors. And this is all the different items that we put in it that you can find around the house. That's one of my necklaces that he calls his treasure. Well, he will bury it and then he'll dig it up. And we use cookie cutters. You don't have to use kinetic sand. You can use beans or rice, but they are choking hazards. I prefer kinetic sand, but that's just my opinions and my kids. Everybody has their own thoughts. This is so much fun. Even as an adult, I will go and get the sandbox out and play with it. So if you like this, go check it out. I put the link below. It's 6 pounds for $28. Imagination playing like this with your kids is a good way to spark their creativity, help them to learn, just help them to have a little bit more fun in their life while being creative. I didn't go and buy special toys just for my sensory bin, besides the ones that came with the sand. I realizing what that was, because it has so much detail on the inside I didn't see. Look how neat. You can make your sensory bin themed, or you can use odds and end toys around the house like I used, measuring spoons and spatulas. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my content, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.